Good afternoon, everybody. This is Ekta Sehgal Malhotra. You are at the Motherhood Club Talk Show. Today, we have a mother, and I feel extremely proud to introduce her as the founder for My Little Dream, co founder for Fusion Heart, and MK. And the reason that I feel very proud to introduce her is because she, for some reason, wanted to come back again on the Motherhood Club Talk Show. And the first topic that she chose was failure to success. And she spoke about many personal challenges that she had experienced and how she was able to encourage her child who felt that she was failing and today who is very successful, is modeling for many of the well known brands, and has turned out to be an absolute beautiful girl, both inside and outside. Today, what Ela is going to talk to all of us is be the wind beneath the child's wing. And this obviously, reminds me of this very popular song. And I want to read out a few lines from that. Oh, 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 oh. It must have been cold there in my shadow. To never have sunlight on your face, you were content to let me shine. That's your way. You always walk a step behind. So I was the one with all the glory, while you were the one with all the strength. A beautiful face without a name for so long, a beautiful smile to hide the pain. Did you ever know that you are my hero and everything I would like to be? I can fly higher than an eagle, for you are the wind beneath my wings. So that is what a mother is, even a father for that matter. So parents are the wind beneath the child's wings. To know more, to understand this very, very powerful statement, we will hear from Ela. Welcome, Ela, once again to our show. It's indeed a privilege to host you once again at the Motherhood Club Talk Show. So please, as the ritual goes, introduce yourself a little more in detail and why you chose this topic. And most importantly, I'm very curious to know that after the first episode you were, I think, our second participant for the talk show. You had once expressed your views to come back. So what gets you going, what gets you to come back to the show? So over to you, Ela.
Thank you, Ekta, for having me here. And I'm so happy to be back again. And I think there is so much to being a mom. Like, you are just not a mom, you have so many things to your child. And since I am one of the oldest moms around, I'm a mom. I've been a mom for the last 28 years. My daughter turned 28 just a few days back. So I've got so many stories, to so many like incidents to share, and every story, every incident has given me a learning, and I would like to share that with so many moms out there.
Absolutely.
Of course, I do know, I do understand that each mom has her own set of parenting skills. It comes quite naturally to each of us, but of course it doesn't harm to hear others speak their hearts and minds out and take a little bit from them,
Absolutely. In
isn't
fact, I
it?
think from every story, from every talk that we have, I personally have been gaining a lot, and is helping me further nurture and groom my 4-year-old. So definitely, very rightly said, Ela.
So
So
you
so let me break my questions to you. So first and
yeah,
foremost question is that why did you choose to come back?
as I said, I wanted to share more of my journey because my daughter, while she was growing up, she had many challenges. As I had already mentioned, she was watching she had she struggled with her weight, she struggled with her complexion, she struggled with some hidden complexes, which we successfully overcame with time. And then she expressed a desire to join the fashion industry.
Wow. Now
Okay.
that is commendable. A girl who struggled with weight, with complexion, with many such body shaming. Today, like I said earlier, is modeling for some of the well known brands. And I must compliment Ila that she looks absolutely, beautiful, stunning in every attire that she is modeling for, be it Indian or Western. And, that the attitude that she has on her face and in the body is absolutely phenomenal.
She has left all of the bitter experiences behind her,
Excellent.
and she keeps striving to better herself every time with every assignment that she gets. So when she was 17, she joined college. She joined Lady Shri Ram College, and she started styling as her hobby.
Wow.
And then she started getting work from Jaipur and Delhi and some parts of Mumbai also, Maharashtra also, for styling photo shoots. So this is how she made her foray into the fashion industry. So while she was styling models, she started meeting designers. She started meeting more and more photographers. And then somebody approached her. I think she was not only even 18 when she was approached by an international fashion magazine, luxury and fashion magazine, to be their representative in India.
Wow.
And for that, she had to go and cover events. Okay. And most of the fashion events or the after parties after the fashion shows, they happen at night. And those were the times when there was no GPS or tracker. There were no Olas or Ubers. And she had just learned to drive. So we would not even allow her to go late night, like drive all by herself at night. And as I told you, my husband had been quite unwell and he's not supposed to drive. So we had a challenge that how she goes around doing her work. But all the events, like the PR people used to send cabs for her. But believe me, at one point of time, like I was very scared for my daughter's safety because Delhi, again, we know that it's not a very safe place.
Correct.
Hmm? But I think that accidents can happen anywhere. In case of a girl getting molested or sexually assaulted, it's an accident. It was not her fault at all. So we took it in our stride. We kept our fears aside, and my husband and me, we thought that she wants to make a career out here in this big world where she knows no one. She had no godfather. We don't know anyone. We belong to a very, very simple middle class background. We have no contacts whatsoever. But still, we thought that if she wants to work, let us allow, not even allow. She just informed, I'm doing this. All, and we said, yes, you'll do it. She used to come at 2 in the night. She used to come at 3 in the night. And I would not sleep till she came back. And I used to tell her to just keep your phone switched on, beta, and keep talking to me while you are coming back. We had to be very brave. But once you instill the right kind of values right from childhood, your child will never ever misuse that freedom that you are giving to her or him.
Absolutely.
So while you are giving freedom, you also have to give them the right values. और उसको एक चीज बोलनी है कि हम आपके ऊपर विश्वास करते हैं और हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आप वो विश्वास नहीं तोड़ेंगे. जब बच्चा हमको कई बार झूठ बोलते पकड़ता है ना, और वो पकड़ते हैं हमको, they are very smart. Even if you are lying about your current situation, you are upset and your child comes and says, Mama, were you crying? And I said, no, everything is all right. But no, she used to tell me, no, Mama, something is wrong. So instead of lying to the child, tell them in not so many words that yes, there were certain things that you were upset about. And this is the situation and we have to cope with it. So अगर आप बचपन से बच्चों के अंदर वो एक सच बोलने की और सच सुनने की आदत डाल दोगे, और क्योंकि जो प्रैक्टिस व्हाट यू प्रीच, हम अगर बच्चों को बोलेंगे झूठ नहीं बोलना और यहाँ मैं पड़ोसियों के साथ किसी और के लिए झूठ बोल रही हूँ, या मेरी मॉम इन लोग का फोन आ रहा है और मैं उनको झूठ बोल रही हूँ, या मेरे हस्बैंड से मैं कोई झूठ बोल रही हूँ, बच्चा उस झूठ को तुरंत पकड़ेगा और वो हमें पता भी नहीं पड़ेगा वो कब अपनी लाइफ के अंदर उस झूठ को उतार लेगा.
Correct. And also, Ila, I'd like to add something here, which, coincidentally, I don't really watch TV, but I was at my mother's place and she was watching some, one of these soap operas, and in that there was an episode where exactly this was shown, where the child is trying to tell the parent that, look, I didn't do it, but the mother is not willing to trust, and the child is constantly saying that, mommy, believe me that I haven't done this. And so when I was watching that, it had a very powerful message that at one end we tell the child to be honest and tell us everything. And the moment they tell us something, if they have done something wrong and they tell us honestly, we shout at them.
Exactly.
So, taking an example as recent as yesterday, uh, so Vanya did something. I mean, we were in the club and she probably walked towards the lift. She'd gone to get something from there, and one of her friends saw her there and realized that we were inside and she was outside. So she told us that, Vanya has gone towards the lift. So she came back, and so her father asked her that, Beta, did you go there? So she said, Papa, I had gone there to get the coins for Karen. So then he said, but so and so was saying that you were there. So she said no. So then she looked at me. So I asked her, I said, did you go to the lift or you went to get the coin? She said, Mama, I went to get the coin. I said, okay, Mama believes you. And then later, she did something not so good. And I asked her, did you do it? So she kept quiet. So I told her, I said, will you tell me honestly? So she asked me, if I tell you honestly, will you scold me? I said no. So she told me, and then I explained it to her. So in some way, I have told her that, look, I am behind you. As long as
Exactly.
you tell me what you have done, only then can I support you, can I guide you. But if you will tell me something which is not factually right, then how will I be that wind beneath your wing?
Exactly. So
Back to
you,
you, Ila.
instead of scolding them, ठीक है, गुस्सा आना, like sometimes you do get angry. We are all human beings, and हमारा, मैंने हमेशा बोला है, हमारा सारा स्ट्रेस जो मैनिफेस्ट होता है एज मॉम्स, वो सबसे वल्नरेबल चीज पे निकलता है, वो हमारे बच्चे होते हैं.
Absolutely.
So it is okay, and like there's no harm in apologizing to them once you have committed that mistake. But I also repeat, like myself, when I say so, that we should not apologize very profusely and very often, because then the child starts taking you for granted कि ये हमेशा गलती करती हैं और ये हमेशा माफी मांगती हैं, इसलिए मैं सही हूँ और मम्मा गलत है या पापा मम्मा गलत है. एंड अनदर थिंग, जब बच्चे के सक्सेस के लिए क्या जरूरी है, पेरेंट्स का एक होना बहुत जरूरी है. If a child wants to go some place कि मुझे मेरे फ्रेंड की पार्टी में जाना है, एंड अगर वो मेरे पास आके पूछती है तो मैं उसको बोलूंगी कि बेटा आप पापा से पूछो. पापा बोलते हैं आप मम्मा से पूछो. तो शी सेज पापा तो हाँ ही करेंगे. तो मैं कहा तो पहले आप उनकी हाँ सुन के आ जाओ.
Yes, children have a habit of playing one against the other. They know it. They play it very well.
Yes. So you have to be very united when in your decisions. बच्चे के सामने कभी भी अपना कॉन्फ्लिक्ट दिखाना ही नहीं चाहिए कि हम में आपस में अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है. उसका फायदा बच्चे उठाते हैं. उसी का फायदा बच्चे जब आगे जाके उठाते हैं बड़े होके, वो हमारे लिए सबसे ज्यादा पेनफुल होता है. 100 गलती करने का हक है बच्चों को, बट एज पेरेंट्स हमें बहुत ज्यादा स्कोप नहीं है गलती करने का, बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू कॉज देम फॉर थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ टाइम. So when like Pupul started going out, she started meeting people, and she started experimenting different looks on herself. And then I said, okay, Pupul, what's, and then people used to tell me, she is overweight, आप इसको क्या करा रहे हो, फैशन में इसको भेज रहे हो, इसका दिमाग पढ़ने में नहीं लगेगा, ये पढ़ना ही नहीं चाहेगी. मैंने कहा आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि ये पढ़ना नहीं चाहेगी? उसने अपने पसंद से सब्जेक्ट्स लिए. शी चोज ह्यूमैनिटीज, she chose history honors in Ladri Shriram. Okay, so I said, why would she not study? So she had to travel for work right from her first year of college, but she used to make up for the lost days. Of course we had to go and fill a bond at school with the college because uske absence the first year mein thode zyada because of her work. But that we happily did, because instead of scolding कि नहीं पहले पढ़ाई कर लो फिर काम होता रहेगा, नहीं, अगर उसका काम करने का मन है तो 17 साल की उम्र से पुपुल काम कर रही है. She has not taken a single penny from me as pocket money. जो मैं उसको ऐसे गिफ्ट दे दूं कोई भी चीज, इट्स ओके. शी इज द अदर वे अराउंड हु शॉर्स अस विद गिफ्ट्स एंड ऑल. And then she said ki mama acha, then naturally next question was ab to BA kar liya, aage kya karegi? So he asked Pupul, what do you want to do? She said, I want to do masters in digital communication. Okay, what will you do after that? We'll see. But that's my like heartfelt wish to, like, I want to do this. Okay, kahan se karogi? No, no, mama, I'm not going to prepare for MBA like other kids do. I'm not going to slog. Pupul says, I cannot slog it out with the books, but I can slog in fashion. So perfectly understandable. हर एक बच्चे का अपना अपना एक यूनिक क्वालिटी होता है. कहती है मैं वो जो रट के बच्चे एग्जाम्स देते हैं और पास होते हैं, मेरे को एनालिटिकल अप्रोच चाहिए और मुझे पता है मेरे को एमबीए क्रैक करने के लिए, कैट क्रैक करने के लिए मेरे को प्रॉब्लम आएगा, तो आप मेरे को ना उससे डिस्टेंस लर्निंग से करा दीजिए. मैंने कहा ठीक है. मैंने कहा लेकिन उसमें आपको क्रैक करना पड़ेगा जो इंडिया के बेस्ट कॉलेजेस है उसमें. उसने माइका क्रैक किया, MICA अहमदाबाद. So माइका IIM alumnus के द्वारा बनाया गया एक
right.
है ना. So वहां पे भी मतलब she did very well, and when she went for a week long class there, she became a favorite amongst all the students who were like many years a senior. She was the youngest there again, because वो सब engineers थे, jobs करके आ रहे थे 6-4 साल. और उसकी जो प्रोफेसर थी वहां पे, she is my Facebook friend also, Miss Falguni Vasavda. She became Pupul's best friend over the time, and she came back and she said, Mama, I'm very happy I did it, because now I have an idea what I'm going to do next. I said, what? She said, I used to blog as a hobby, now I'm going to take it a notch further as my profession.
And someone said that she is not interested in studying.
Yes.
Lady Shriram, Maika, for all those of you who are listening, they are among the elite colleges that anybody would want to be in. LSR is in Delhi, and Maika is in Ahmedabad. And all those people who want to do anything related to mass communication or marketing or anything related to any field of marketing aspire to be in Maika. So what if it was a distance learning that she did? And anybody who does content writing cannot just write. They have to have a mind to be able to write. So I think Pupul has given a very befitted answer to all those who thought she will only pay attention to fashion and all those other things and not pay attention to academics, the so-called academics. Yes, Ila.
So since then, for the past 10 years or more now, she is one of the for leading fashion and lifestyle bloggers of Delhi, not only in Delhi, in whole of India. And she has got big designers and brands in her kitty. And she's happy. Then she became a travel blogger where international hotel chains started inviting her to stay at their properties and write for them. So essentially, it's not very important to look good. It is also very important, क्योंकि सिर्फ आप अच्छे दिखते रहोगे और आपके पास लिखने के लिए दिमाग नहीं होगा उसको प्रेजेंट करने के लिए. You have to have that eye to photograph that product or property or dress properly, to dress up well, and to write about it.
Ila, am I audible clearly?
Yes.
Okay, because
हाँ,
somebody's commenting that. Okay, all right. I'll try and be a little louder probably.
Okay. Yeah, you're getting some comments?
Yes, that I'm not very clear.
No, I can hear you pretty well.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how, and during these last 10 years, when she was growing as a blogger, luxury and lifestyle blogger, I was learning so many things from her. When I see my pictures from those times and when I compare them to my recent pictures, she has been my teacher. She is mothering me now.
Wow.
Mama, ये frame टेढ़ा क्यों लिया आपने? Mama, इस frame में बहुत clutter है, इसको आप clean कर दो. A small room in an apartment is used simultaneously for 3 kinds of brands or 3 designers.
And everything has a different look.
Yes. So,
and, sorry, Ila, I'm going to cut you here. And, I have to add this, that when Ila says that Pupul is mothering her now and is teaching her, I am a witness to the pictures that Ila, has been sharing over Facebook and other social media handles. I have known Ela for over 3 to 4 years now, and not only the pictures have bettered, but I feel very happy to say this, that Ela too has grabbed a certain assignments to model for some saris, and that assignment she got when someone saw those pictures, which Pupul guided her to take them and post them on Facebook. Congratulations, Ela, for that.
Thank you so much.
And also to mention here that Ela has also experienced body shaming like how Pupul did. And today, when she's in her mid 50s, which she doesn't look, she is getting assignments to model. So, kudos to both you, mother daughter.
Thank you
Very,
so
very
much.
well done.
So
Back to you.
It's a team actually. Now we are a team, and now we are grooming Rakesh, my husband.
Very nice, very nice.
पापा आपको ड्रेस नहीं बोलना चाहिए, आउटफिट बोलते हैं. पापा ये बेल्ट के साथ ये शूज नहीं जाएंगे. So now when he comes out of his room while we're stepping out for a party or something, then first thing where he won't come to me.
He'll go to her.
He will never come to me to ask for approval. He will knock at Pupul's door and he'll say, Pupul, मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ?
So indeed, it is very rightly said that our children are definitely the best teachers that we as parents can have. All we need to do is support their endeavors, have faith in them, trust them, and be that strong back that, go explore the world. And when you explore the world, you actually shape them. And that support, I feel, again, Ela, I would like you to also comment on that support should not be that it comes when they are in their teens or when they are about to step out of the house, but from the very beginning.
Yes.
They need to know that, my parents are with me. So, we need to guide them. We need to prepare them for the tomorrow that they will see. What do you have to say, and any experience that you've had with people?
Yes.
Especially since you shared earlier in your earlier talk that how she was struggling with so many challenges, which was whether it was about the body weight, it was about OCD, it was about her, grades being very low because of her health issues. So could you, Ela, highlight certain examples or experiences that you had with her where, where she probably wanted to just let it go or give up, but you, the strong mother, the wind beneath her wings, stood by her and said that, no, you can do it.
There was a competition that was floated in her school. It was an art competition. I think if you can see the paintings behind me, they are made by Pupul only. Pupul has painted those paintings.
Wow, awesome.
So she was always interested, because when a child who is a single child, and she, as I told you, she became a loner of sorts. So her books and her paints became her best friends, her brush and her paints. So we got an easel for her and she started painting. So there was a competition that got floated in her school. I think she was in grade 8th or 9th at the time, 9th standard. And then I said, why don't you fill it up? You should participate in this competition. She said, Mama, I think I won't be able to justify this because my other seniors are also participating. So I said, how does that make a difference? You cannot say that, well, you should not regret later that you didn't even try. And then she said, then it involves traveling to Nainital for a camp. It will involve some money also. Maine kaha, so who told you that we won't give you any money to travel? And she said, okay, no, but I think I won't be able to do it. So let's leave it. I went to the school, I spoke to her arts teacher and I got the form filled. And see, I've done it, I've deposited the amount और अब आपको जाना ही पड़ेगा. वो गई 8 days वो नैनीताल में रही, उसने वहां पे 5-6 पेंटिंग्स बनाई, उसने वहां पे अवार्ड जीते और उसको एक कैश अवार्ड भी वहां से मिला, जिससे कि हमारे जो ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस थे वो भी कवर हो गए. तो फिर कहती है, ममा थैंक यू फॉर पुशिंग मी. She always she thinks कि नहीं हो पाएगा, but because my husband and me, both of us are 200%, 100 और 100% मिलकर हम 200% पॉजिटिव पीपल हैं, तो वो उसके अंदर हमने भरना स्टार्ट किया. वी taught her to travel alone when she was in 7th standard. She was 11 years old. और हमने उसको यहाँ से राजधानी में बिठा के कोटा भेजना स्टार्ट कर दिया था मेरे पेरेंट्स के यहाँ पे. डोंट वरी, डोंट, यू हैव योर फूड, डोंट टॉक टू एनीवन, यू हैव योर बुक्स, यू हैव योर, उस टाइम पे वो चलते थे, वॉकमैन चलते थे शायद. उसको वॉकमैन दे देते थे और उसको बुक्स दे देते थे और उसको यहाँ से बिठा देते थे. वहां पे पापा उतार लेते थे उसको. इट वॉज अ डायरेक्ट ट्रेन टू कोटा. तो जब शुरू में वो डरी, फिर मैंने, और तब मोबाइल्स नहीं होते थे, तो वो हिम्मत हमने बहुत अपने अंदर जुटाई, क्योंकि अगर वहां हम उसको रोक लेते ना तो वो इतना आगे नहीं जा पाती. When she was 19 years, I think 19 years की थी, वो पहले बार गई. नहीं, she was 18 years. On after her 18th birthday, she went on a solo trip to Northeast for 19 days.
Wow.
And when she landed in Assam, we didn't know that वहां पे jammers लगते हैं. असम में जब लैंड किया उन्होंने, तो उसके बाद से हमें पता ही नहीं पुपुल क्या कर रही है, कहाँ गई है. होटल पहुंच के, होटल के लैंडलाइन से उसने मुझे फोन किया, फिर बोली कि मम्मा मेरे को यहाँ पे जो मेरी एक लोकल एक फ्रेंड है वो मुझे हेल्प, उसके साथ उसकी क्लासमेट थी वो, शी इज गोइंग टू हेल्प मी गेट अ सिम एंड देन आई विल बी इन टच विद यू. सो देयर वर anxious moments also, but
how did you deal with those anxious moments, Ida, given that both you and Mr. Pachori are very positive people, but when you have these weak moments, how did you deal with that?
Prayers. We pray and we meditate. I meditate a lot. And मेरे हस्बैंड का सिर्फ एक ही काम होता है, राकेश का एक ही काम होता है, टेंशन नहीं लेना है, बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं लेना है, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, यू विल गेट गुड न्यूज फ्रॉम हर, आप चिंता मत करो. ही इज वेरी पॉजिटिव, वेरी वेरी पॉजिटिव. तो बस वो ये कि कभी मैं झल्ला भी जाती थी कि आप बार बार यही कह रहे हो, मेरी उससे बात नहीं हो पा रही है, बट लाइक then ultimately things used to fall in place. Similarly, she went to Europe in 2014, again all alone. And वहां जाके भी उनको एक इशू कुछ हो गया, और where now I can't help her sitting her here. मैं उससे बहुत दूर हूँ, और उसने मुझे तब तक फोन पे नहीं बता दिया जब तक उसने उस सिचुएशन से डील नहीं कर लिया. She went to Thailand with 2 of her friends. उसका और उसकी फ्रेंड का दोनों का बैग कट गया. तो उसमें से उनका सारा कैश निकल गया और उनके कार्ड्स निकल गए. And then she called me at night, Mama. मैं कहा, yes, we are in trouble. I said, what's your problem? Tell me. Mama, we हमारे दोनों के बैग्स को काट लिया गया है and we are stranded without any money. Okay, then I said, okay, we'll find some help for you. Then I called up someone whom I know in Thailand, in Bangkok. Then that gentleman sent over some money to Pupul. And then Pupul, being Pupul, she shocked to heart's content. कल क्या होगा उसको टेंशन.
But Ila, by doing this, by being very, very supportive, you inculcated that confidence in her. And, for taking example from my own personal life, this was, I think, in 2010 or 11, and I was coming back from a official, get together, and it was almost 11 o'clock at night, and I had an accident. My car got hit by a truck, and the right tire of the backside got burst, and I didn't realize because I just wanted to get out of that place. Though, I immediately called the police because my car was very badly hit. I was thankfully safe, and my mother was calling me constantly because it was 11 at night, and I didn't wanted to tell her because there would have been a panic button that would have been pressed at home. And then I reached a point where I felt I was safe, and I had called the cops. I called a friend of mine also who I knew would be able to manage the situation. And then I took the call of my mother and I informed her, and then she immediately told me that I am coming right away, and my father was not well around that time. So I told her, I said, no, you will not come. She called my cousin that you go, at least if there is a guy with her. So I told her, I said, don't worry, my friends are reaching. I'll manage. And by that time, the cops had come, and I managed the whole thing, by myself, with the help and with my presence of mind.
Yes.
And so when I came back home, she, obviously she was stressed, but she felt happy that even in a situation like this, I had the presence of mind to note down the truck number, call the police. And then she, rewarded me with a very nice, beautiful,
So sweet.
I think it was a pearl or some amethyst stone neck chain, that, this is for you for being so bold and brave. So I think that is how you, um, inculcate confidence. You prepare the child to be ready to fight the not so pleasant world that we experience, because we have all sorts of people that we experience. Until when will you be with the child to protect them? If you do that from the beginning, and that Malaysia episode reminds me, the Thailand episode, that I was in Malaysia, and my brother had a friend over there, and though my phone was on roaming, but he couldn't get through my number. So he told his friend that go check on her, where is she, because none of us can reach her. So your parents or your siblings, they find their ways to reach out to you.
Yes, yes, yes.
But they do it in such a manner, it's so clandestine that you don't get to know until all that has been sorted. At the same time, the confidence is inculcated in you, and you are able to do things by yourself, because I was also just about 21 or 22 when I did my first overseas trip for work all by myself. And those days, and I had some issues with my visa and everything, but my parents said, go. If you go, only then will you will be able to explore it. And I've been out of school, home after class 12, both me and my brother. And the only thing that our parents told us, that we know what values we have given you.
Exactly.
We would want you to respect that, and always know that if you are doing something which you will feel scared to come and tell us, or you will think 10 times before telling us, that means you're doing something wrong. So let your conscience tell you that whether you're right or wrong. So that is the kind of support, or that is the kind of trust that they built for us to, move on to the onward journey of our career and all the other aspects in our life. So wonderful. That's, really very interesting, the way, you have groomed her. So any time that happened where she wanted to do something, but you as parents felt that, no, this is not correct, that she should do this, and where you had to put your foot down, because that also, maybe at the face of it, child might not appreciate, but is a support, is that, you are guiding the child, but the child sometimes becomes very adamant कि नहीं मुझे तो ये करना ही है, without realizing the pros and cons to it. So any situation that you ever experienced like that?
Luckily in our case, no, because पुपुल को पहले से पता होता था कि ये चीज के लिए मम्मा पापा agree नहीं करेंगे.
So how did you groom her for her to know कि इस चीज के लिए मम्मी पापा नहीं मानेंगे? How was she able to to differentiate that what can be approved and what cannot be approved, using the word approved for the lack of a better word?
The core of any relationship is communication, Ekta. The more you communicate with your child on various topics, even if you want to convey to her about something जो आपको उसका समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि ये कहीं इसकी कंपनी गलत है, इसके friends जो set of friends whom she or he is hanging around with, we are not liking that, तो आप जितना उनको directly मना करोगे ना, उतना वो retaliate करेंगे. तो by way of examples, by way of like various, मतलब बहुत तरीके से mold करना पड़ता है अपने conversation को to drive home the point. और because हमने अपने बच्चों को उतना वो उससे संभाल के बड़ा किया है, उनको वो सेंस दिया है कि मैंने देखा अभी पुपुल की जो फ्रेंड्स की जो लिस्ट है, while she was growing up, it expanded and it blew up like a balloon. Okay, from the age of 16 till the age of 21, for these 5 years, उसकी फ्रेंड्स की लिस्ट एक्सपैंड होती चली गई. हमारे छोटे से घर में उसकी बर्थडे पार्टी में 40-41 लड़के लड़कियां आते थे. ओके, एंड धीरे धीरे करके गुड सेंस प्रिवेल्ड. सम लेफ्ट हर, some she discarded, and now she's got a very beautiful set of friends, well-meaning friends. Now, who are there to guide her? And interestingly, she makes friends with people who are older than her. वो अपने एज ग्रुप के साथ में या अपने से छोटे बच्चों के साथ में फ्रेंडशिप नहीं रख पाती है, बिकॉज उसको लगता है वो तो बच्चे हैं. वो थोड़ी मैच्योर्ड बचपन से थी वो. शी वॉज क्वाइट सेंसिबल सिंस शी वॉज अ चाइल्ड. तो नेवर, नो टैंट्रम्स व्हाटसोएवर, कभी नहीं किए. तो ये मेरे पास कभी इशू नहीं आया कि इसको ये काम करने के लिए इसको रोकना है. इनफैक्ट नाउ दैट वी आर टॉकिंग, आई रिमेम्बर अ प्रोड्यूसर फ्रॉम मुंबई. ही वॉज इनटू एड्स एंड शॉर्ट मूवीज. सो उन्होंने एक नया कोई कॉन्सेप्ट, उस टाइम यूट्यूब का नया नया वो चला था, वेव आई थी, यूट्यूब तब एकदम इन होने लगा था. आई थिंक इट वाज 7 years or 8 years back, 6-7 years back. So this gentleman approached Popul and he said that we want to make a few videos with you, YouTube videos, where you will be talking about fashion, styling and all elements of fashion, और आपको वीडियोस बनाने होंगे. तो इसने कहा ठीक है, आप मेरे को दे दीजिए, कंटेंट भेज दीजिए, मैं बना दूंगी. बोले नहीं नहीं, स्क्रिप्ट भी हमारी होगी, वेन्यू भी हमारा होगा, एंड यू विल हैव टू कम एंड स्टे इन मुंबई फॉर अ मंथ. विल कंपनसेट यू प्रॉपर्ली. तो she said, mama, he is offering me this. So I said कि definitely हमारे as parents हमारे एंटीना थोड़े खड़े हो गए. तो मैंने बोला कि पुपुल, कोई आपको अकोमोडेशन भी दे रहा है, पैसे भी दे रहा है, और आपको सब कुछ दे रहा है, और इतने से काम के लिए, मतलब आप, she had to make around 100 videos for YouTube for them actually. तो मैंने कहा पुपुल, ये मुझे कहीं मिसमैच लग रहा है. तो she said कि mama, if you want you can talk to him. मैंने कहा what if mama wants to come and stay with you in Mumbai? She said, मैं कोई बच्चा हूँ, I can manage myself. I said, okay, let me talk to this gentleman. So I spoke to him and then he said, मैम आप बिल्कुल चिंता मत करो, और पुपुल का बिल्कुल फ्रेश फेस है और उसके कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. I have seen her presenting things, I have seen a few videos and I want her to do my stuff. I said, okay. मैं कहा, but we'll be visiting her. कहते anytime ma'am, you can come and stay with her anytime. So Pupul went all alone to Mumbai for the first time and she stayed there for a month. उसको लोखंडवाला में 3 BHK अपार्टमेंट विद 1 हाउसकीपर 1 शेफ मिला, और उनके यहाँ सारे फोटोशूट्स रात को होते थे क्योंकि दिन में बहुत शोर शराबा होता है मुंबई में. तो रात को उनके then she said that but only place where she put her foot down was, that also was on our advice only, that you will not travel at night to any studio for shoots, because आपका कोई भी फायदा उठा सकता है. अगर आप अपने ही घर में जहां आप रह रहे हो वहीं पर आप अपने रूम को स्टूडियो में, एक कमरे को आप स्टूडियो में कन्वर्ट कर दो, और तो वहीं पर उनका मेकअप मैन, उनका पूरा फोटोग्राफर, पूरा क्रू उनका रहता था, और ये लोग वीडियोस बनाते थे. Of course the videos couldn't see the light of the day because the gentleman passed away unfortunately, but he treated Pupul with most respect. जबकि पुपुल बहुत छोटी थी, कहीं उसका कोई फायदा नहीं उठाएगा. मैं पुपुल को रोज पूछती थी, किसी ने आपको किसी गलत उससे तो नहीं इशारा तो नहीं किया? मम्मा नो, आई एम केपेबल ऑफ टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ. तो हमें बच्चे को खुद सिखाना पड़ेगा कि आप जब तक अपनी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करोगे ना, कोई आपके साथ में कोई हंकी डोरी वो नहीं कर सकता है. वन कैन नॉट मिसबिहेव विद यू अनलेस आप एक बार लेट लूज करोगे खुद को ना, लिबर्टी दोगे. तो कहते हैं ना, उंगली पकड़ते पकड़ते ये कलाई पकड़ने वाला, तब वो सिचुएशन वहां तक आती है. सो she has been trained well to keep people at an arm's distance. She has
hearing the instances that you're sharing, I can correlate it to a couple of instances of my life also.
I would like to hear it out. Yeah.
So I was in Bombay and I got a call from a company for an interview, and that company was my dream company.
Okay.
And not only was it a dream company that I wanted to work for, and it was in a country which I would have loved to visit, which was Zurich. So I was all gaga that, oh wow, the dream company, the location is absolutely awesome. So, like whatever, I have to take this interview. And so this gentleman who had come from Zurich, he was a foreigner, and he called me for the interview. And he told me that, you meet me at the Trident, room number so and so. Though it was my dream company and the location was overseas, which was the second, dream that I wanted to work overseas to get that exposure.
Yeah,
I very subtly told him that, the coffee at the Trident is very nice at the coffee shop, which they don't deliver in room service. So would you like to, meet me at the coffee shop? And he said, okay. So he came, we met, we had our interview and everything. And when I was leaving, so he told me one thing. He said, you're one of those girls in India who very subtly conveyed that she's uncomfortable
exactly.
speaking in the room without offending me, that, as if I have some malice intentions, but you conveyed what you wanted to, and I understood, and I respect you for that. So I told him, I said, look, I know you could understand what I was trying to say, but you meet all sorts of people, so you always have to be ready with your guards on. And I said it was against my principle to come and meet you or meet anybody for that matter in a hotel room. So and I, and where did I get to learn all this? Obviously, our parents told us,
Exactly.
who told us that, look, you can meet anybody. After all, you're working in a city where we are not there with you. And I was out of home, straight out of my school. I did my college, my postgrad, my job, everything. And I was away from home for good 14 years before I came back to my family, back to stay with them. And all throughout, they kept that faith and confidence in not just me but my brother also. Both of us were studying away from home. So when we teach our children the right and the wrong, that is when they also enable us to be the wind beneath their wings. Because then they come and tell us what is it that they need from us. We are able to guide them. We are able to motivate them for things जो वो नहीं करना चाहते. Many times
Hmm.
बच्चे बोलते हैं कि नहीं ये मैं नहीं कर सकती. So as
हाँ.
parents, then we do that. So I just thought I should share this with you.
One more thing was like Pupul has managed the biggest clubs of Delhi,
Okay.
the most elite and most prestigious clubs of Delhi. I will not name them here. Plus, she has helped so many pubs and restaurants, resto bars open in whole of NCR.
Wow.
गुड़गांव के बहुत सारे क्लब्स, सीपी के बहुत सारे क्लब्स, रेस्टो बार्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स, पब्स, पुपुल ने वहां पे एज प्रोजेक्ट्स लेके वहां पे उनका फुटफॉल कैसे बढ़ाना है. तो जब आपको वहां फुटफॉल बढ़ाने के लिए स्ट्रेटेजीज डिवाइस करनी है, तो उन एक्टिविटीज को रन करने के लिए आपको वहां रहना होगा. और वो कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट्स, बिकॉज ऑफ द लिकर कोशेंट है ना, द अट्रैक्टिव पॉइंट एक ही होता है कि लिकर.
Right.
तो उसके लिए जितनी भी गैदरिंग होती है या क्राउड पुलिंग होती है, वो सारी शाम को होती है. शाम को भी नहीं, बियॉन्ड 10.
Right.
She used to drive to work. She used to drive back by 11, like 12, 12:30, 1, 2 बजे आती थी. रास्ते में मुझसे बात करती हुई आती थी. और now my friends used to ask me, how can you allow your daughter to do this? This is so demeaning. Like, what's demeaning? She is helping someone build their business. She is helping someone build their business, and I know that she is safe because she knows how to take care of herself. जहां पे भी उसको लगा कि ये ओनर्स या मैनेजमेंट मेरे साथ ठीक से बर्ताव नहीं कर रहे हैं, उसने देखा नहीं कि वो कितने पैसे पीछे छोड़ के आ रही है. She quit at that very moment. So one thing that we have to teach our kids is that they should get rid of greed. ग्रीड चाहे फेम की हो या मनी की हो या नेम की हो, ग्रीड बहुत गलत चीज है. तो वो उसको मिनट नहीं लगता, वो 2 लाख 3 लाख 4 लाख कितने भी छोड़कर आ जाएगी, बिकॉज यहाँ पर ऐसे पेमेंट्स इकट्ठे होते रहते हैं. अब दे देंगे, अब दे देंगे, कैश फ्लो नहीं है, अब दे देंगे, हाँ ठीक है, गुड फेथ में होता रहता है. वो छोड़ के आ जाती थी, लेकिन उसने कहीं कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं.
And that a child is only able to take such decisions when you are able to inculcate the right set of values, support them for anything and everything that they do. We all make mistakes. We all sometimes make big blunders. So do children. So rather than being reactive, let us all learn to respond.
Yes.
Because when we respond to the child will know that, okay, I've made a mistake. Explain to child. I know it is very difficult to do it because many a time we do lose our cool, we lose our patience because it is at the spur of the moment that your reaction is such that either you will just give one whack or you will start screaming. But I think in the long run, as Ela mentioned, that in the long run, just taking that one step back at that time and think and then respond to the situation will evolve the child in a very different manner. uh, you know uh, I mean, we all experience all kinds of people in our profession, where we work. Film industry, the fashion industry, the media industry. As we all know, people have a very different kind of a connotation about it. All, not only them, but also people who want to look at those offbeat careers like singing or dance and all those kinds of things. But if you inculcate the right values, there is no work which is demeaning. Every work has its own respect. What is
Yes.
important is to teach the child to respect herself or himself, respect the others, value the human who they are interacting with, and always keep their eyes, ears open to know where the threat lies. Being in the finance industry and having worked in Bombay, we did meet many of these celebrities and those pom pom shows kind of people. But we had learned that where we have to say a no and where we need to take a step back. Fine, business doesn't come, that doesn't matter. But what matters is that you maintain your, your respect, your pride. And I feel that when you do that, Ela, the person in front will understand, will either
Yes.
feel ashamed of himself or herself, or will respect you for what you are and what you stood for. And that in the long run really, really pays off. So leaving those couple of whatever thousands or lakhs will not matter, but in the long run, what you will gain is just huge and humongous.
I often asked her whenever she comes back, she used to come back after interviewing celebrities. You spoke of celebrities. So she has interviewed from the likes of Yo-Yo Honey Singh से लेकर politicians like Narendra Modi ji
Oh, wow.
when he was the CM of Gujarat. So Pupul was editing a travel magazine, B&B B2B magazine थी, एक travel magazine थी गुजरात में, जिसके एक ओनर ने पुपुल को अप्रोच किया कि आप मेरी पूरी मैगजीन की एडिटर आप बन जाएंगे. इट वाज एन ऑनलाइन मैगजीन और ने हाउस की वो हार्ड कॉपी भी आती थी, प्रिंट भी आता था. तो गुजरात में मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ही ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अ ट्रैवल फेयर
Okay.
where he invited travel and tourism fair where he invited travel trade industry के सब tycoons को बुलाया था from all over the world. So she spent 10 days in Gujarat mingling with the who's who of travel industry, and then she got 10 minutes to interview Mr. Modi. वहां से लेके जो उसका वो एक्सपीरियंस है, उस दिन आके उसने बोला था दिस मैन इज द वन हु शुड लीड आवर कंट्री वन डे. He has everything on his fingertips. He does not look at his secretary while talking. और या बुक्स नहीं मंगवाते, वो तब पढ़ के नहीं बोलते हैं. वहां से लेके आप शफकत अमानत अली को ले लीजिए, आप किसी भी सिंगर को ले लीजिए, एक्टर को ले लीजिए, एक्ट्रेस को ले लीजिए. विद्या बालन उसकी ज्वेलरी पहनती है बड़े शौक से, पुपुल की बनाई हुई. तो शी हैज मेट एवरीवन, शी हैज स्पेंट टाइम विद एवरीवन. And Pupul said कि mama, हाँ I know people are there, it's a big bad world out there, but if I have my guards on, अगर मेरे एंटीना अगर मेरे अप पे हमेशा, तो मुझे पता है मेरे को कोई मेरा बाल नहीं बांका कर सकता. अगर मेरे को फंसना है तो मैं अपनी मर्जी से फंसूंगी वहां पे. Because the greed to be seen with these kind of people, the greed to be photographed with these people, वो अपना काम करके निकल जाती थी. She never used to even look back कि मेरे किस न्यूज़पेपर या मैगजीन में फोटो आ रहे हैं. My friends always click pictures of her and they send me to her that look Pupul page 3 पे थी. हमें नहीं पता होता because हम page 3 देखते ही नहीं है. तो वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ही यही है कि राइट वैल्यूज. सबसे पहले झूठ नहीं बोलना है, लालच नहीं करना है. ये जो किताबी बातें हैं, अगर उसको हम पहले अपनी लाइफ में और फिर हम बच्चों को बाय एग्जाम्पल दिखाएंगे, तो देयर इज नो वे योर चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू लुक बैक इन हिज लाइफ.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, Ela, yet the ritual that before we wind up any conversation, we would like you to give a piece of advice or suggestion for parents, especially who have teenagers or growing children, what would be that one piece of advice from you to them?
Trust your kids.
Brilliant.
Trust your kids. Build a bond of trust. Allow them to trust you. जो पेरेंट्स बार बार मोबाइल फोन्स छीन लेते हैं, घर का केबल कटवा देते हैं. मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे, उन्होंने अपने बच्चों के बोर्ड एग्जाम के टाइम में सिम छीन लिया. तो सिम बच्चे ने अपने फ्रेंड को फोन किया, वो दूसरा सिम लेके आ गया उसके लिए. बिकॉज यू नो, आप एक जगह काटते हो ना, बच्चा आपको जगह जगह मनूवर करना सीख जाता है. वी आर नॉट एज स्मार्ट एज आवर किड्स. We may think we are smart, but
they are a generation ahead.
They are a generation ahead, and they have got like means and ways to overcome any obstacle. तो हम उनको, अगर वहीं पे हम उनको right kind of challenges दें, अगर बचपन से उनको सही सही challenges दिए जाएं कि आपने साइकिल पंचर कर दी बच्चे की, बेटा आज आपको ना खुद जाके साइकिल में हवा भरवानी है. First exposure to the outer world, where she will go and meet the cycle में हवा भरने वाला भैया. The first trip to metro, नहीं कैसे जाओगे, नहीं नहीं कुछ हो जाएगा, मत जाओ, मत, ये नहीं मत, ये सब निकालना है. हाँ, जा तो सही, एक बार जाके देखो आप. Go try once. You know, we know that the world is not a very beautiful place any longer. But you know, हमारे time में भी, when we were growing up, we had our different sets of issues and problems and dangers. Generation to generation वो set of dangers या threats बदल जाता है, but वो होते तो हैं.
Correct.
So जब तक हम बच्चों के साथ इतना ना हो जाए ना कि अच्छी बुरी चार अच्छी बातें बता रहा है, तो बच्चे में वो हिम्मत भी रहे कि मम्मा आज मैंने ना मेरे फ्रेंड का खाना चुरा के खा लिया, मुझे बहुत मजा आया. वो बोलने की भी हिम्मत उसमें रहे.
There should be no secrets between parents and
yes
children. And sometimes we are the ones who teach them that, you know, when we are talking and suddenly when the children come, hush hush,
hush, hush.
You know,
yes
quiet. Or while we are watching TV and those
scenes,
not so pleasant scenes come and you don't want your child to see, again, you know, parents go hush hush. So we are raising that inquisitiveness in their mind, and we are the ones who are then giving them the direction कि कुछ तो ऐसा है जो मुझे नहीं बता रहे हैं,
देखना चाहिए या नहीं सुनना चाहिए. हाँ,
that is a very very you know, that's a human psychology कि जिस चीज के लिए आप किसी को मना करेंगे वो पक्का करेंगे या वो उसके लिए curiosity और inquisitiveness build होगी. So as Ela said that trust your children so that they trust you, and that can only happen when there is a flow of communication that is on between you and the child. And I would add to that do not react but respond. And even if you have reacted, there is no harm in taking a back step immediately to make corrective measures, because the child will also understand that why that reaction happened. So again, you know, the communication comes back over there. So
another thing, one last thing.
Yes.
We have to teach our kids to say sorry. बिकॉज हम हमेशा अपने बच्चों से बोलते सॉरी बोलो, आपने गलत कर दिया, आपने पानी गिरा दिया, सॉरी बोलो. सॉरी को बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं लोग. सही जगह पे सॉरी बोलना बहुत जरूरी है, छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए नहीं. आपसे ग्लास टूट गया, आप सॉरी बोल दो. आपने मम्मा की साड़ी गंदी कर दी, सॉरी बोल दो. यू डिड दिस, सॉरी. फिर बच्चा कहता है ठीक है, मैं किसी भी तरह की गलती करके और सॉरी करके निकल सकता हूँ. तो सॉरी हम अंदर से फील करें और हम खुद उसको बाय एग्जांपल बताएं कि आई एम जेन्युइनली सॉरी फॉर व्हाट आई डिड, so that a child can identify that sorry is not a very light word. It's not a word that should be taken very lightly. I lost you.
Yeah, sorry. Absolutely right, Ela, that you know, these words, as we teach our children the magic words, whether it is saying sorry or thank you or anything, you know, the child needs to really appreciate and understand. Okay, the word thank you is something that still can be used umpteen number of times.
Yes.
But sorry, I think, you know, very, very rightly highlighted that say sorry when you genuinely mean it. Because sorry means that I will not do that again. You know, while it is nice that the child will say sorry, because that also comes out very, very difficult from them. You know, the ego, the attitude that a child has, why should I say sorry? But they need to understand that you made a mistake. So even if you're responding, that doesn't mean that you're letting the child continue to be what the child is or make that mistake. But you have to explain it in a manner that the child understands. So while I'm saying all of this, I am also learning as as I get to experience all that, and we all learn by the days that pass by, and I'm sure Ela with a 28-year-old is also learning as much as I am learning with a
Yes,
4-year-old.
every day.
And I'm sure my mother, who has a 41-year-old daughter, would be learning at her age also. So we all are, we are all work in progress, as one of the mothers had said in one of the talk shows, that we are all work in progress. And so, Ela, I must congratulate you that you're doing a fabulous job with Pupul, because I keep seeing her post, and from what I have heard today before and otherwise from Ela about how this young girl has been groomed and has been supported by her parents to be where she is today, it is absolutely commendable. And had Ela and Mr. Pachori not shown that strength, that resilience, we probably would have been seeing a different people altogether today. So kudos to you. And that is why I say that a mother deserves to be acknowledged and appreciated for all that she does, because without her highlighting what she has done, she does so much and more. As children, many a times we um, may not publicly acknowledge, but a mother is the backbone who supports and shapes the future of the child. So very, very well done, Ela, and continue to do so. And I'm sure, people will need your constant guidance, and so would you from her. So wonderful talking to you. And thank
Before
you
we
so
sign
much.
off, another thing, अपने बच्चे को ना प्यार के ब्लैंकेट में लपेट के रखना है. कीप ऑन अश्योरिंग हर और हिम वी लव यू. हमारे घर में एक अनसेड नियम है, जब भी हम तीनों एक साथ होते हैं या हम दो मिलते हैं कमरे में, be it the husband and wife, the father and the daughter, or the mother and the daughter, any of three of us, I love you दिखते ही बोलना है I love you. I love you में इतनी ताकत है इन 3 मैजिकल वर्ड्स में, इस फ्रेज में, that it can make your child and your life sail through like anything. कुछ नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ प्यार चाहिए. प्यार से ही सपोर्ट और ट्रस्ट दोनों आता है. That is all I'd like to say. Thank you so much.
Yes, Ela very rightly said. Many a times you hug the child not because the child needs it, you do it because you want it.
Huge.
And same is the case with the child also. Whether it is the grown-ups shy away from hugging or giving, saying these things, but small children do it flawlessly and just do it, very instinctively. So yes, very rightly said. And thank you once again, Ela, for being with us at the Motherhood Club Talk Show. And like I said, thank you for choosing to be here for the second time. And we will be back soon, very, very soon, rather, with another journey of a mother. Very soon means just tomorrow itself. And same time at 4 p.m., we will be meeting yet another unique mother to talk about her journey. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. This is Ekta Sehgal Malhotra at the Motherhood Club Talk Show. Thank you so much, Ela, once again.
Thank you so much, Ekta, and thank you everyone for listening in. Thank you. Love you all.
Take care.